Hello, I am Thomas Yee, violinist and founder of Bay Fine Strings, and today I have here a package that came from France that I'm thrilled to unbox. It's actually for an exhibition that I'm hosting on April 29th, 2023 of contemporary instruments and bows. And this special bow is going to be one of the bows that will be exhibited for this exhibition and concert. So it's at St. Joseph's Art Society on April 29th. There's an exhibition of contemporary instruments and bows, and there'll be a concert by San Francisco Philharmonic, and we're playing the Four Seasons played on the exhibition instruments with a different soloist members of the orchestra coming out to play the various instruments and bows from the exhibition. So this is a special event that I've been working all year on, and has been an idea of mine that I've been excited about. And this special bow is made by Gilles Nehr. It's a Tête-Bêche bow. It's a special bow that was designed by him, and it features a titanium frog and head made of either Pernambuco or giraffe-thorn acacia. So it'll be really exciting to see this bow for the first time in his new design. So here we are. Let's open it up. Voila. Beauty. This bow has a fixed frog that tightens the hair from the inside of the frog. You have this key that actually tightens the hair, and so it allows the hair to be consistently held in one place, so that the frog doesn't pull to the side and depending on the weather and whatnot. So that's a great feature with this bow, as well as the durability of the bow. The titanium head makes the head very durable and strong. And I do believe that the connection of the frog and the head to the stick helps the resonating qualities of this bow. So this cello bow, yes, will be exhibited on April 29th, and I'm so thrilled to see it finally in person and see all of Gilles' hard work come to fruition and into this beautiful bow. See you there.